I'd like to welcome everybody to CKJ Crypto News. Good morning. I hope all is well. Guys, Big BG, Brad Garlinghouse, has been on Bloomberg this morning, and I think it really gives a whole new meaning to Big BG, bearable guy with his finger over his mouth. It's NDAs, you can't reveal. Now, this will make sense after you see what Big BG said on Bloomberg this morning about Bank of America.
Brad, on another topic, Bank of America, there have been reports that Bank of America has taken out a patent that suggests it's using the Ripple ledger for its currency transactions. Can you comment on that?
I saw that.
Can you confirm or kill the speculation?
I can neither confirm nor kill. Look, we are, I think, widely known to be working with a lot of banks around the world, and certainly some of the largest banks already are in the world are customers of ours today. And we'll continue to work with big banks around the world. And
Wow, that's amazing, guys. Basically, with Big BG being on Bloomberg, and she asked him basically, hey, we've heard about the Bank of America patent. We've seen that. Can you confirm or deny? Or can you confirm or kill the rumors? And he basically smiled and said, hey, I can't really talk about that. Sometimes it's not what you say, but what you don't say. Now, this is Steven Mnuchin. Don't say Ripple. Don't say XRP. MoneyGram. Oh, geez, that was close. Now, I truly do believe, and now I see why, Bearable Guy has his finger over his mouth. Guys, there's so many NDA, non-disclosure agreements, where they cannot say they are working with Ripple. I actually been saying that Bank of America has been utilizing this technology since 2015, and now we're starting to see that with the patent, and it's actually becoming a hot topic. Shout out to CRP_CO, Bloomberg TV. Bank of America is taking out the patent that suggests it is using the Ripple ledger for its currency transactions. Can you comment on that? Brad Garlinghouse, you've seen his face. It was worth $1 million. A picture's worth 1,000 words. Don't say Ripple. Don't say XRP. Big BG on Bloomberg. Guys, cryptocurrency is really on a global scale now. Now, I will link this interview. It's a really good interview. I highly recommend you guys watch it. I will link the whole Bloomberg interview in the description. It actually starts at 12 minutes. They cover a few things, but it starts at 12 minutes. And shout out to Dillon at Dillon, Dillon. I got this interview from him. He always does some really good work. And XRP Junkie at XRapid Junkie. He actually put this picture together. I really like that. And believe it or not, guys, I always thought it was kind of funny, at first, where they were starting to say, don't say XRapid, don't say XRP. But now it's, I'm starting to put two and two together, and now it really seems that way. So I don't think Bearable Guy is actually pointing to a tooth here. I actually think he's saying, hey, there's so much going on behind the scenes. Plans within plans, and smoke and mirrors, that's for sure. Really quick, guys. Also, shout out to Cryptic Life at Cryptic Life, one of my future retirement plan coins. He says VeChain price surges with the Mainnet upgrade. Now, he just sent me this, guys. And also, guys, VeChain, San Marino Republic adopts VeChain technology in a push to become carbon neutral country. Wow. So first one, really quick, guys. VeChain price surges with Mainnet upgrade. Today's upgrade, known as VIP 191, is designed to make the core blockchain a little more friendly to third-party developers as well as end users. It allows users to send tokens without incurring VTHO transaction fees. Instead, the sender can delegate transaction fees to the applications they are using. Wow. And I'm actually keeping a close eye on VeChain, guys, and it's stuff like this right here that, makes me take a serious look at VeChain. San Marino Republic adopts VeChain technology in a push to become a carbon neutral country. Residents of the Republic of San Marino could soon get rewarded in crypto for saving water, recycling, and performing other sustainable activities. San Marino Innovation and Government Company to drive an open innovation initiatives has partnered with VeChain, a blockchain application platform, and DNVGL, an international certification body, to develop the San Marino Low Carbon Ecosystem Project. Wow. This is a massive, guys. VeChain has more and more partnerships every day. And, the Walmart, China relationship, the BMW relationship. San Marino Innovation Token will run on VeChain blockchain, says Sunny Lu, CEO of VeChain. Wow. Utility tokens are designed for specific blockchain ecosystems. They allow users to transfer and send value to incentivize certain activities. Wow. And also, guys, I want to give a really quick shout out to the VeChain retweeter. Now, if you go to the VeChain retweeters page, guys, if you click on this article right here, it actually shows you how they're using VeChain. This is a really good video right here. Second largest China-based food manufacturing company, owned by Shanghai municipal government. China's 5-year plan, VeChain carbon credit ecosystem. I highly recommend watching this video. I will link this in the description. And also, guys, VeChain Foundation invest in Jor. So, and this is Sunny Lu right here. If you want to follow Sunny Lu right here, he's the CEO of VeChain, very active on Twitter. I highly recommend that. Follow VeChain, retweeter, follow Sunny Lu, and check out this video right here. I will link this in the description. I thought this was pretty interesting. Really quick, guys. U.S. brokerage giant launches Bitcoin futures trading for retail investors. Now, U.S. What's this? TD Ameritrade. They're talking about, yeah. U.S. brokerage giant TD Ameritrade has quietly launched Bitcoin futures trading to its 11 million retail investors. The company website touts a new trading option which uses CME Group's. Now, actually, CME Group is invested in Ripple Group's Bitcoin futures market and requires investors to have at least 25,000 in their accounts. Now, what I thought was interesting, guys, is I saw this on Twitter. Mike Novogratz tweeted this tweet, but now it's actually gone. I'm not sure why I took it down, and I'm even surprised I noticed it. Actually, I was going to reshare it, and when I went to reshare it, it actually said delete it. But this is big news. We continue to see more and more easy on-ramps for people to buy BTC, and he actually is, it looks like he was resharing Pompielli's tweet. You can now trade Bitcoin futures on TD Ameritrade. Now, guys, this is massive because TD Ameritrade offering Bitcoin futures. You know, we know that bots went semi-live yesterday with Bitcoin futures. Cryptocurrency is truly on a global scale. Big BG is on TV every day now. Now it came out about the Bank of America patent. I think this is really exciting time, guys. What do you think? Do you think there's really a don't say XRP? This is amazing, guys. And for Brad Garlinghouse, and actually really quick, one more thing. If you go on Dillon's page right here, he actually does have a couple interviews. There's actually a Facebook angle also where they ask him about Facebook, and basically he says that, you know, since Libra announced that they're here to replace Western Union, and he says that was a bad move. Now it's rumored that Libra project is trying to find banking partners to give themselves legitimacy as real companies wanting to utilize this technology. As of right now, it's basically a thought. You got companies that are invested, but you don't have no real, you know, institutions like banks like Ripple signed on to say, hey, this gives legitimacy to this project. That's for sure. So, very interesting times, guys. This is amazing, that's for sure. Don't say Ripple. Don't say XRP. What do you guys think about that? NDAs? The CKJ coin will come down right now. Smash that coin to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate your time. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when I release another video throughout the day. Much love. Mahalo. XRP, the standard hodl.